Start by connecting to your network via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and enter the router's IP address, typically https://192.168.1.1 or /10.1. Use the default credentials to log in. Username is usually admin, password is often password or a unique code on the router's label. Immediately change these default credentials for security. If you can't access the settings, reset the router by holding the reset button for 10 seconds. You can also manage some settings through the Spectrum app or My Spectrum website. Once logged in, explore the advanced settings for optimal Wi-Fi 7 performance. Navigate to the Advanced or Wi-Fi section. Here you can configure settings like SSID naming, channel selection, and QoS prioritization. Enable features such as beamforming to focus signals on your devices, and MU-MIMO for parallel data streams. For users wanting to use developer mode for deeper tweaks like custom DNS or port forwarding, look for this feature inside of the advanced settings. Use multi-link operation MLO for simultaneous connections on multiple bands, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, 6 GHz. This reduces latency to under 2 seconds, ideal for gaming and 4K, 8K streaming.